Hi, today we are going to explain how to install Chrome OS Flex. We are going to explore the easiest way to install Chrome OS Flex on USBs, and also we will demonstrate how to remove the installed OS from the PCs. I am Amir Shazad from Roshan Tech eSite.pk. Here are few of my distribution. You can try these as well. This is Chrome OS Flex. You are seeing the desktop. It is simple, speedy, and secure operating system. It is new operating system just like Microsoft Windows or Apple Mac OS. It is based on Google Chrome OS, which is pre-installed on the Chromebooks. And Chrome OS itself is based on the Linux. So here is a note. This is early access version, so you might face issues. So we need to download and install. Following are the requirements and considerations. So you can verify if your device is certified. Link is in the description. You should check your device before the install or download. You need Google Chrome browser. You need 4 GB USB or more size. Your device processor should be 64-bit. Its requirement is 4 GB RAM, but I have tested on 2 GB RAM and it worked fine. And you need BIOS access to boot from the USB. You may need 16 GB storage or more size for installing of the operating system. And keep in mind, it would use the whole disk. So back up your data before the start. So here is a point. Components that are made before 2010 may not work. So you have 40 minutes or maybe 20 minutes depending on your internet speed and your computer speed. So following is a USB creation process. You need to install Chromebook recovery utility. Link is in the description. So install and start Chromebook recovery utility from the list of extensions. Here is the icon. It should be on the top bar on the right side. Click there and then choose the recovery utility. And on the start, click get started and select a model from the list. Here is a screenshot. You need to choose Chrome OS Flex and then you need to choose developer unstable. Currently it is unstable, but later on maybe when you are going to install it might have a stable version. And I have already mentioned you need to choose Chrome OS Flex and you need to choose Chrome OS Flex developer unstable and click continue. On the next step, it would ask you the which USB you are going to use. So you should attach the USB before this process, and at the end click on create now. Okay, at that point you got the one USB from Chrome OS Flex, which you can use for live demonstration or you can use it for installation purpose. It seems the easiest way, but this way is not suitable for multiple USBs. If you want to create multiple USB installations, this is not the good way. And sometimes you create a installer for one USB and then later on you use that USB for other purposes and again you need to create installer again. So this is not a good way for this purpose. So what is the best way for creating multiple USBs or USB creation over time? Okay, this is Linux OS. If you don't know about Linux OS, then you may try to search and install it on your system, or you may try WSL, Windows Subsystem for Linux, on the Windows. Though I have not tried this on WSL, but you may try to do it. So here is the way: download the installation image, and I will provide the link in the description, and click the latest number. Like there could be 102, 101, or whatever is the latest. You should click that link and download the image file. It The image file would be the zip file. You should unzip it, and it might name like Chrome OS, some numbers, Raymond recovery dev channel, or whatever is its name. It is ending on .bin. I will reference this file as just file.bin in the coming points. Insert your USB drive. Its size should be 8 GB or more. It will overwrite data, so keep your data backup from the USB and open the command terminal. What is it? You can search and Google it. If you have installed the Linux OS, you can find it in the menus easily. Execute the following command. It would ask you the password, provide it, and then press enter key. Following is the command: sudo dd if file.bin of dev sdn bs4mb 4m status progress. So this is the command. You should use the same command, and only the difference is this n. I am explaining it here. N in SDN above refers to the USB name character. Whenever you connect USB to the computer in Linux, it would assign some character to it, like B, C. So it should be SD, B, SD, C, or whatever is the USB. If there is only one USB in the system, then this is SDB. So before starting this process, you should unattach any other USB. So it should be SDB. And because this is important, it would override any data. So now you can create, after this command, USB is created, and you can create multiple USBs or recreate USB as many times as you like using the above command, because you have already downloaded the installation media on the disk. So following is the process from the USB. So these are the points. First of all, turn off the target device. Insert your Google Chrome OS Flex USB installer and boot from the USB installer by pressing the power button, and then begin pressing your device boot key repeatedly. So what is the boot key? It is different on different systems. Like on Acer, it is F2, Asus, there is Dell key. On the Dell system, it is F12, Gateway, HP. These are different keys for different devices. So here is the general sum of the points. I will show you the screenshots of all the points. Let me explore the general advice. Boot. After the boot, you can explore live environment or start installation. These are the 2 points. Live environment is environment where you can check the Chrome OS Flex from the USB It will show the desktop, menus, everything almost, which you can see after the install. So you can demonstrate it. Device components are working, Wi-Fi is working, cam is working, whatever you want to test. So live environment is important. Then you can start the installation. It would ask you to connect with WLAN because it would download the things. So you can start the installation on the login screen or during the boot process. I will show you the screenshots, and again I am warning you, it will use the whole hard disk. So whatever drives you have, C drive, D drive, data drive, Windows installation, softwares collection, videos, whatever is on the disk, it would delete everything. So keep your backups, and it would ask you different checkboxes like the terms and conditions, etc. Just follow the instruction, and at the end it will show you the complete installation message, and then your device would turn off automatically. Then you should remove the installer USB, and then again switch on the device and start using Chrome OS Flex. Let me show you the screenshots. So this is the initial welcome screen. You should click get started, and here you can start the built-in screen reader if you like. And here you can do two things: install Chrome OS Flex and try it first. I suggest you to try it first, so it will show you the live environment and you can test your device components like Wi-Fi is working or not. So connect with Wi-Fi, whatever name is your Wi-Fi, and provide password, accept the terms of service, and then select you because you are going to use this. Later on you can add your children accounts and supervise that. Here is the point: you should use your Gmail ID here, provide the password, and if you have enabled the two-step verification, it and then you need to verify this, or you may try other ways to verify your account login. So you can accept the synchronized Chrome device. I normally accept this without any hesitation. If you need Google Assistant, you can try that. On my test it did not work. And here is your live environment is ready. Just click get started, and here is the desktop. So later on you should test and later on log out from the device, and after the logout you are seeing this install Chrome OS Flex button. You can trigger the installation from here or from the boot process which we have seen initially. So click the install Chrome OS Flex and keep in mind this warning again. It will erase your entire disk. Click install. It would take 20 minutes or 40 minutes, whatever is that internet speed or your computer speed. So after the installation it would show you this timer and it will shut down your computer. Then you should remove USB and switch on the device. So at this point your system is ready to use. And after you are using the Chrome OS Flex, you might decide to remove it from the computer. Here are the steps to uninstall it. So create installation media of Windows, Mac OS or Linux, whatever OS you are going to install. And you want to remove Google Chrome OS Flex. Boot from that media which you have created on the first point, start the installation, and on the disk partition step, remove all devices and create new device for Windows, data, or whatever you like. So let me show you the screenshots again. So this is the point where you need to, I am just demonstrating the Windows case because this is mostly used operating system. You should click custom install on this point and then click the partition and click the delete button. You should remove all the partitions from here, and then it will show just drive 0 unallocated space, and then you should create new device by clicking on the new button and continue your installation. So these are the steps, and again all of your data would be removed. So if you have any data using your Chrome OS Flex, keep that data on some other device. Continue rest of the installation steps as usual. So at that point, Google Chrome OS is removed from your computer. Thank you. Like or dislike, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.